The second example is real-world evidence. This stuff is hard. We've been in the data business as legacy IMS since 1955, and we find it incredibly difficult. Data and healthcare is, in essence, local. The difference between the Netherlands healthcare system and the Belgium healthcare system, France and the UK, God, in the UK, just Scotland and England, is very different. So to try and get structured information, put it on a platform in order to ask questions, I think is going to be, somebody mentioned earlier, I think it was Chris, data is the new oil. Real-world evidence in the future, when done correctly across markets, will be the interface between payers and providers. And what this example shows is a rare disease in ophthalmology across 10 markets. And this particular customer, the largest customer in the world, of life sciences company in the world, has invested a huge amount in RWE to gain an advantage. It is the first on the market. And on the left-hand side of the chart, what you're seeing is a competitor making claims from a randomized clinical trial versus what's happening in real world. Now, what would happen normally is you would go off and conduct an observational study to prove what was going on versus a competitor's claims. That would take over a year and cost a lot of money. Well, this is the power of real-world evidence in reality. Because in 12 weeks, this particular customer is able to turn around the claims that the challenger brand is making, go back to the regulatory authorities and pricing authorities, and counter the claims with real-world data. So RWE isn't just something that's vital for launch, as I think was mentioned earlier on. It's our contention, it's vital for survival, given the pricing pressures that we talked about earlier on.